Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products with a new item from Fleece Performance. It is the fuel injector return line repair kit, which has become pretty notorious to fail on these 6.7 Powerstrokes. We got two different ones here in front of me. One is for the 11 to 16 6.7 Powerstroke. The other one is for the 17 to current 6.7 Powerstroke. Now there's a lot of different reasons why these tend to fail. Number one, well, they're plastic, so they're not that great. Number two, rough handling, vibrations, heat, all from the engine compartment. But also, if you ever want to service your fuel filter, you do have to disconnect this adapter here. And what happens over time with the heat and everything else that's going on under there, the plastic becomes brittle, they tend to break on you, and then you get left stranded. So this new item here from Fleece is going to help prevent that and keep your truck on the road, but also make it a lot nicer and much more durable. It's made out of a billet aluminum, comes with everything you need for a very quick and easy installation, plus everything is serviceable on these, and they have a dual O-ring for a little bit better of a seal. If you want to get one today, you can click the link in the bio or come check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.